Right, it's relatively quiet now. No cars. Listen to the sound. Jets. Something. I can't see it. I've got glasses on here that are pretty good. So I can look at the sun and not be affected by it, but I cannot see what it is. I can certainly hear it, and it's like the fighter jet sound. It must be low, but further away I just can't see it. I don't get that because I've got quite a good line of sight here. Anyway, there's another one in the distance coming, I can hear. I'm going to call this Strange Sounds in the Sky Saturday. How's that for one? May the 1st. May the 1st be with you. Alright. I'll keep you informed. I'm going to upload this now and see if anyone else is hearing any strange sound. Because I can hear it still, but I just can't see anything. Get some cloud coming now. Horse somehow is whinnying. Where did that come from? Wild West. Right, I'm going to say andiamo. I'll see you later, guys. Take it easy. Astral Peak, as always.